As Ukrainian drone operators work hard at the front line, they occasionally find great targets such as ammunition or anti-tank mine piles, being able to lower Russia's capability to advance or defend. While this occurrence isn't too common, sometimes they find something extremely rare. Both anti-tank mines and rockets laying out in the open. This was most likely abandoned from a supply truck, as it looks like they have gotten targeted. As the drone didn't have any small ordnance, it relayed back the information to be targeted, showing this massive explosion with a visible shockwave, showing the large amounts of energy being released, leaving a large crater behind, reducing down the ammunition that can be used in the future. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.